Good morning, English scholars. This is a video to tell you the lesson and assignment for today, Friday, October 30th. So first of all, happy Halloween. Today, October 30th, is a holiday in the United States called Halloween. And on this holiday, children dress up in costumes. So they dress up as different characters or scary things like a ghost or a zombie. And in the evening, they walk around their neighborhood to their neighbors' houses and ask for candy. So if a little kid knocks on your door tonight and asks for candy, understand that it is normal. It is Halloween in the US. If you want to give the children in your neighborhood candy, you can leave the light on in front of your front door, and that tells the children that they can come to your house and ask for candy. If you turn the light by your front door off so that your front door is dark, then children know not to come to your house. Okay, so that's how you can decide if you want to give out candy this Halloween. And if you have a costume, or if you can put together a costume, you could walk around this evening in your neighborhood and ask for some candy too. So that's Halloween. So we're going to start today with 3 positive affirmations. So I will say each statement, and then you should repeat the statement out loud after me. So number 1, I believe in myself and my abilities. Number 2, I can do anything I put my mind to. And number 3, when I fall, I will get back up again. Notice that in statement number 3, there was the word if, but I crossed it out and wrote when. So in my list of positive affirmations, this affirmation said, if I fall, I will get back up again. But the more I thought about that, the more that did not seem right to me. Because falling here means failing or making a mistake. And this happens to everyone at some time or another in our lives. We all fail. We all make mistakes. We all fall down sometimes. So it's not a matter of if. If means maybe you will fail and maybe you will not. Okay, but actually we all fail sometimes. So that word if does not seem right. It's more like when I fall. Okay, because at some time or another we will all fall. We will all make mistakes. Okay, and that's normal. That's a part of being human. Okay, we cannot escape from that. What we can control, what we can change is how we respond, how we react when we do fall. Okay, and if we can find the strength inside ourselves to get up again and try again when we fall, then we are more likely to have better outcomes in life. Okay, so when I fall, I will get back up again. Okay. The next activity for class today is to take a little survey, which I sent to you in your email. Okay. Some of you have already taken this survey, but if you have not taken it, I would like you to take it today. So in your email, in your school email, you will see a message from me called Survey Link. And this message was sent earlier this week. I believe it was sent on Wednesday. Okay. And the message in the email simply said, here's a link to the survey for today. And there was a link. Okay, so in your email, I would like you to find this message and click on this link. When you click on the link, it will take you to a Google form that looks like this. And the title of the Google form is Trimester 2. The subject of this Google Forms is to ask you, what are your plans for second trimester for school? Okay, So all of you will get the chance to go into PowerSchool and decide if you want to continue doing what you're doing now for classes, whether you're taking classes online or classes at school. Okay, you will get to decide if you want to continue doing that in second trimester, or if you want to change how you are taking your classes. For example, if you are taking your classes online, if all of your classes right now are online, you can change to classes at school for second trimester if you want to. If you are taking classes at school, you could change to online classes if that's what you want to do. Okay, so I want this survey to get you thinking about what you want to do and even cause you to go home and talk to your parents or the people that you live with and have a conversation about what would be best for you for second trimester. Okay, so let's look at these questions. The first question says, do you plan to be in the online academy for second trimester? This means, do you plan to take all of your classes online? And your answer options are yes, no, or maybe if you don't know right now. The second question says, do you plan to be in the hybrid model for second trimester? The hybrid model is where you are at school taking classes in the school building some days, and some days you are at home. This is the hybrid model. Do you plan to be in the hybrid model second trimester? Yes, no, or maybe if you don't know yet. And then the last question is this: why are you planning on choosing online classes or the hybrid model for second trimester? Okay, so whichever one you want. If you want online classes or if you want classes at school, why do you want that? What are the reasons that you have for choosing that option? Okay, and you can type your reasons in this space. When you're done answering these questions, please hit the purple submit button at the bottom, and I will read your feedback this weekend, okay? I would like to get an idea of what you are planning to do, and if you have any questions or if you need some help making this decision. Okay. The next activity for today, and in fact the last activity for today, is to put all of your paragraphs from your autobiography into a new Google Doc. So you should open up your slideshow, your reading and writing journal, where you wrote your paragraphs for your biography, and down at the bottom, you have been writing paragraphs in your autobiography, the paragraphs about yourself. So please open this presentation and then open a new Google Doc. So open a new tab, come up here to Google Apps, go to Google Docs, then hit this plus button to open a new Google Doc. Give your doc a title, which should be your name and the word autobiography. Okay, so my name is Miss Cat, so I'm going to write Miss Cat. You will write your name, and then you will write the word autobiography. When you have your doc created, go back to your presentation and find the slide for Monday, where you wrote the first two paragraphs of your autobiography about your birth and your childhood. Okay, copy the first paragraph. So highlight, double click, and copy. And then go to your new Google Doc and double click and paste. Then go to your second paragraph and do the same thing. Copy and paste. Then go to the slide for Tuesday. You wrote about hard times that you have gone through and what you are proud of in your life. Okay, copy these paragraphs. Copy and paste. Copy and paste. Then go to the slide for, you guessed it, Wednesday. Okay, and on Wednesday you wrote 2 paragraphs about your life right now. Okay, what is your life like right now? And who is a person who inspires you? And a motto that you live by. Copy and paste. Copy and paste. Okay, and the last slide where you will need to copy paragraphs is the slide for Thursday. On Thursday, you wrote 2 paragraphs about your future, your career goals for your future, and your family and travel goals for your future. So copy those. And paste those. Copy, paste. Copy. All right. What you will have when you are all done is a very long Google Doc full of paragraphs. Okay? I want you to highlight all of the sentences in your paragraph and change them to size 12 font. Okay, size 12 font is the font size that we use for all school assignments. Okay? So your font should never be bigger than size 12 for a school essay. Okay? Next, find the beginning of each of your paragraphs and indent. The indent is the tab key. Okay, it's the tab key on your computer. Where is the tab key? Okay, it's right here. Okay, so tab key is right here on the left side of your Chromebook, up near the top. And you need to hit this tab key 1 time at the beginning of each paragraph. Okay, so here, tab, click, 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 tab. Okay, so then your paragraph will look like this. Okay, you can also highlight your essay and make it double spaced. So to double space an essay, you go up to this button right here with an arrow up and an arrow down. The button is called line spacing. Click this button and click either 1.5 or double. Okay, I'm going to select double. You can see what it does is it puts more space in between the lines. That makes your essay easier to read. Okay, and it also makes it look a lot longer. Okay, that's one of my favorite things about that button. Okay. When you're all done copying and pasting your paragraphs, changing the font to size 12, adding your indents using the tab button at the beginning of your paragraphs, and using this line spacing button to double space or 1.5 space your essay. When you're all done with that, click the share button and share your essay with me, haxton.cat@iowacitｙschools.org. Okay, then hit done. Okay, and look at your essay and feel proud of your hard work. That is the only assignment for today, and there is no homework over the weekend. A little preview of next week. Okay, what we're going to do next week is we're going to go into your essay and we're going to make some improvements. We're going to improve the punctuation by adding periods and commas. We're going to work on adding capital letters to names in the beginning of sentences. We're going to take a look at the grammar and we're going to check and make sure the grammar is correct in your essays. So we're going to spend all or most of next week making your essay perfect before I go in and grade your essay. Okay? So that's what's coming up next week. So thank you for watching this video and doing your assignment for today. I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.